Feeling frustrated, you've got some of your System.io funnel set up, and when it comes to email and getting it verified, you can verify your Gmail account, but you can't send email. And I've just discovered the reason for that. I wasn't aware they've changed it. You must have a custom domain and a professional email for this. So just go over here to namecheap.com and register domain. If you want, you'll need a domain. If you want to try and get a discount, you can do a Google search for Namecheap coupons or Namecheap discount coupons, and then at checkout, put in that coupon code, and you might get a reduction in the price. So let's log in. All right, so we're now back in our account here at Namecheap. You go to Advanced DNS. I've already put them in and I didn't have the camera on, so I come back again. I'm going to delete that because I don't want it. Yes. Delete that as well. Failed to retrieve the record. I did have this registered once before. I think that's why it's there. So, all right. So we add new CNAME record. If we go here, there's two of them. So this is the value. So we copy all that. We go back here and we paste that into the value. Then the host, we go back here again. The host, everything before the future affiliate, the domain name. So www. Go back here. We put www in it. Then we had a tick at the end of it, a check mark. Click on that, and if there's anything wrong, it'll tell you. So then we go up here again and add another CNAME record. It's not that hard. We go up here again. We copy all this. Come back here, add that all in there, click on the name, put it all in there, then we go back and get the record again, which we go here. Everything before the future F we copy in there, put it in here, then on the tick. Now that looks like it's all set up. Just go over to DNS Checker. I'll have a bit to cut out of there and put in the address, futuref.com. Check it. So looking here, we've got all ticks down here, so it looks like it's now been propagated. Let's just go back here, have a look. It's still showing pending here. Let's just refresh. It might take a little while to update in here, that's all. Pending validation. So while we're waiting, we go back and we need to now get our email address, professional email. So you go back here where it says private email. They did have an offer going where you could, so you can get a free trial there, yeah. So I'm just going to say, you can name it whatever you want. It could be Graham at, in my case, or you could put support at or information at. So only $0 for 2 months. All right, so I'll do that. Select a domain. No, I've already purchased a domain. Select that one. You'll only have one, so it's free. And you get 5 mailboxes, so you could have 5 emails if you wanted. Try to do that. You've got to click on the terms and conditions, pay now. Just going through it, processing a 0 payment. So we go down here, create an email, create mailbox, create a mailbox now, and I'm just going to say Graham at, and you can put in your passwords, etc., and then save changes. Click on Save Changes. You're now set up. So then we go back to our settings here, and we want to, over here to the left, email. So we go down here to sender. I'll get rid of that, test. And we're going to put in the email address we've just set up. The full email address. I think I've got a dot there or something on the screen. Something on the screen where I'm at. fudeaff.com. Go up here, save that. Some fields contain invalid data. All right, let's have. What they're saying we need to do is verify this email. Save. It's because the domain authentication hasn't come through. That's how you set it up, and then we'll come back later to show you how to set up the emails. So that's how we set up a custom domain and professional email in System.io. If you've got value from the video, you just hit that subscribe button at the bottom. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And the next video I make, I will show you how to set up the actual emails now that you've got this set up. It may take a day or so for that to authenticate, so we won't be able to set it up until then. All right, till the next video. Bye for now.